What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan got clout, man, and y'all know what I do best, y'all. I make the girl shout. You dig what I'm saying, man? And today I got a special video for y'all, man. I'm gonna be going out of town for a car show, so I just decided to take y'all along with me. But first, I'm gonna show y'all the fit. You feel me? You go in here real quick. See if y'all can see the fit. This is the fit. Got on the dunks. You dig? Little gray sweatpants. Nothing major. And my Hollister shirt. You dig? Yes, sir. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So enjoy the vlog. I'm gonna either catch y'all when I'm in the whip or when I get to the car show. So hey, stay tuned. And before I get to anything else, make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Get it. Alright, y'all, peep, sis. You dig? She got on the little, show me what you got on, sis. Dress, the boots. You dig? We all finna be fitted, you feel me? But yeah, so I'll catch y'all either in the car, like I said, or at the car show. Gang. Alright, y'all, so we just left the crib right now, you feel me? Me personally, I've never been to a car show, but hey, I think I'll enjoy it because I do like cars. I'm not like a car fanatic, if that's how you say it, whatever, you feel me? But I do like cars. Like if I see a Lambo, I'll take a picture of it. McLaren, I'll take a picture of it. I like Hellcats, I like Teslas, you feel me? But other than that, I'm just like, if I was famous, which I will be one day, mark my words, y'all, and I have all this money, the first car I'll probably get will probably be like a I say Honda Accord or Civic, because I like those, you feel me? Basic car, they could pick up speed a little bit, but other than that, I'm not finna just buy no flashy car, like especially for my first car. But like my second, third car, I might buy a Tesla, not too expensive, not a Hellcat, maybe a Charger or a Challenger, you feel me? But yeah, so we are on the way to the car show. So look, if you haven't right now, pause the video and subscribe. I know you haven't subscribed yet, so I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds. All right, if you still haven't subscribed, just click off the video. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, so I'll catch y'all at the car show. All right, y'all, so we did make it safely, you feel me? We might eat first, or we might go to the car show first. We don't know yet, we haven't decided. But hey, I'm hungry, so look, it's my choice. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, so I honestly do think we're gonna eat first, and then head to the car show. So yeah, I don't know what they have in the food court or whatever, but to have something good, then I'll show y'all. I might still show y'all, but if it's not bussin', I'm gonna be mad. Told y'all I was finna get a cut and look fly. And what? You can't tell me I don't look good. You can't. But hey, so I guess the car show was in this little outlet area, so it's a lot of stores here. I'm not shopping today, but hey, I might come back and do a little shopping vlog, and then when I buy stuff, give y'all a little haul of what I bought. So hey, if y'all want to see that, comment below and stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get this. What is it called, sis? Teppanyaki place. Let me hold on real quick. Let me pay.
No, we're just gonna share the steak.
Can I get a bowl?
Okay.
I'll do the chicken.
Chicken bowl?
Yeah.
Rice and veggies or all rice?
All rice. Regular. And are the drinks?
Yeah, drinks.
Yeah, I'll get a drink too.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
1103, please.
You're welcome. Sign right there. All right, y'all. So I did end up trying something new. It is called teppanyaki, like I said. I don't know if I like it, but I don't know if y'all heard my order. I got a chicken bowl, teriyaki chicken. They had between steak, chicken, and I think shrimp, I believe. So yeah, I got a chicken bowl. I'll tell y'all how it tastes. But yeah, it's always good to try something new. All right, y'all. So we gonna try this. Little bowl, you feel me? All right, and I got me a Fanta. So let's go. Let me open my silverware. Get my fork out. Open my bowl. Okay. Looking good so far. Let me pour my teriyaki on there actually. Fire. I can taste that sauce already. Nice and stirred up. Nice and stirred up. All right, let me take a bite. Get some chicken on there. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is good. This is good. All right, y'all, so this is my second meal with the fam, you feel me? They got the little bowl too, but instead, they got steak instead of chicken. So we got the pizza, we got the wedges, and the Dr. Pepper. Nah, I'm playing.
It's harder to eat with chopsticks. I have.
All right, y'all. One thing about pizza is it always busts. You feel me? You can always have some pizza, but some places it do taste kind of weird. But you feel me? I don't know. Pizza always usually busts. All right, y'all, so we just got done wrapping up the food. Headed to the car show now, but the car show ends at 3 o'clock. And we got here kind of late. And it's about, I'd say I checked the time when I was eating, So it's like 240 right now. So we're just gonna try to make it. We might not get the best cars, you feel me? But I'm gonna try to show y'all a little bit of the cars while they're going by and while the show's coming to an end. So yeah, I'll catch y'all there. Sheesh. Best work in progress. There's a few about it. These cars, bruh. Side wrap and Jackie Weber's on it. The guys just doing a tremendous job on it. His name is Eduardo Soto. I'm gonna get a thumbnail right now.
All right, now this car is.
All right, y'all got a thumbnail. Got some cars going right here. You feel me? Man, these are nice. These Hondas are beautiful. Look.
I got the Integra right here.
Beautiful.
Hey, this one.
I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Got some nice cars out here, y'all. Look at that right there. Zoom in for y'all a little bit. Whee! What's making all that noise? Oh yeah, right here, Shelby. Looks like a Mustang, I believe. I don't know, maybe. I don't know all my cars like that, but that was nice. Got a Corvette working right here, y'all. You said C what, bro? That's a C2, we believe. And over here, we have the C1, I believe. Right there. So those are two beautiful cars. Beautiful. Oh my, Jay. Senna? A what?
C8, that's a R.
Oh. Bruh. Wouldn't start or what?
That camera goes.
Hey, y'all, we seeing a lot of nice cars out today, bruh. A lot of them. Look at these right here, bruh. See this right here? See, look at that green. See, this thing is nice. Look at that. Thing is nice. Got the, hold on. Got these Volkswagen. Feel me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, y'all. So we came to the end of all the cars. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog right here. Make sure if you did enjoy this video, you smash that like button. Leave a comment for me. My bad for the noise. Leave a comment for me. Comment some new video ideas. And hey, man, make sure you subscribe if you're new. If you did unsubscribe before and you're back here on my channel again, subscribe, man. We on a winning team. And look, man, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.